You can hear him all the way from over here. He is on it.
That session was purely just me practicing chill zones.
Okay, that's cool.
Yeah, I was just trying to like figure it out. I wasn't trying to think like going fast or anything. Following kind of like a whatever it was out there on the. I know I want to give it. Now that I feel like I want to fucking kill it.
How do you feel about the reverse layout?
It's like you know it, but it's like you're driving it in your dreams or something. It's like slightly different.
Yeah. You're like in a fog the whole time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fun. I was like, and I went to turn it on to circulate the oil, and I accidentally let the clutch out and I had it in gear, so it like lurched forward a little bit and knocked the oil.
Oh no. Dude, I could hear him all the way from over here, honestly.
That was so nauseating.
She's like, she
Blacked out.
No, of course, man. If it's a track, dude, this is what I do. Super, super, super fun. This car's super light. Like, I remember starting with the fresh chassis and learning and then building it. You know, like, piece by piece, you can see how dramatic every change makes. And
yeah. I love it, dude. I love being
So we are done for the day. So thank you guys for tuning in. And driving those old school, like, lightweight EKs and EGs is... it's just something to be experienced. If you've never done it before, I just can't put it into words, you know. So many things to think about after that one. Maybe I might get a new car.